One of the liturgical linens we used in the Mass is the Corporal. In this video, we will witness the proper and practical ways to fold a corporal. A corporal is a square white linen cloth upon which the chalice and the paten are placed during the Mass, as well as the ciborium that contains sacred hosts for communion. It is placed at the center of the altar table during the preparation of the gifts during the Mass. The cloth should have a decorative embroidered cross along the center of the cloth. The word corporal comes from the Latin word corpus, which means body, a word which serves its purpose, which holds the body and blood of Christ in the Paten and the Chalice. There are proper and practical ways and procedure to hold the corporal. We use the word proper instead of correct or right ways, since we assume that there are many ways to fold the corporal. However, what we will show and demonstrate to you is a proper and practical one. The folding of a corporal starts during ironing after the washing. First, place the corporal on the table with the cross facing up. Make sure that with this position, the cross will be inside the cloth. Unlike most other small altar cloth, the corporal is folded inside out. This is done so that any crumbs from the Eucharist will be caught inside the material instead of falling to the ground. These crumbs inside the corporal can later be soaked in a basin with water, where the communion vessels are washed, allowing the small particles and crumbs to dissolve in the water. Folding the corporal inside out also makes it easier for the priest or deacon to spread it out over the altar. Second, make an imaginary line and divide it into 3 parts. Take the bottommost third of the corporal and fold it up, covering a third of the material along the horizontal center of the linen. Likewise, bring the topmost third of the linen down, using it to fully cover the bottom and middle thirds previously folded together. Make sure to press both folds with your finger or with iron, lightly producing a crease. With creasing, it will help keep the linen smoother for the next set of folds. The next step is to fold the rightmost third of the corporal inside towards the left, which should cover the center of the cloth. Then fold the leftmost third part of the corporal inside, covering the remaining center of the cloth. Press the cloth with your finger or with iron to firmly crease them before storing the corporal. This step completes the process. With these practical ways of folding, it is easier for a priest or deacon to open it up on the altar table. It reveals that upon opening the cloth, the cross is always facing up. I hope you have learned something about the practical folding of a corporal, and please leave your comments. Press like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more uploads. Thank you very much, and see you for more liturgical tutorial episodes.